That's one of my pear trees. It has been grafted in the past with 3 different varieties. That's one of them that has grown. That one is the second one, which was grafted in March this year, 12th of March 2016. That has grown nice, and that was the bud grafting done. That has grown as well, and fourth is its own variety. Now I will be adding another one, although it is not recommended that you should be doing grafting in the middle of June because the weather is getting very harsh, strong sun. It might not allow the graft to succeed. But as I have a desire to graft, so to fulfill that desire, I thought I'll go on and graft it and see what happens. It might be a success, or it might be another lesson to learn. But mostly it is better to graft it in the month of April, March, April, May, when the natural system of the tree gives a bigger push. I'll be using the technique called saddle graft. Now I am cutting the scion. Now I will seal it with this green tape, which will protect it because the sun, whenever it comes out, it is very, very strong. Let's hope it grows. That is the name of the variety and the date. So the label goes there, and that will complete this graft.